Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix sound is coming from wrong speaker. If you have connected multiple speakers to your PC or laptop, so the sound is not coming from the selected speaker which you want to listen from that speaker. Okay, if you are also facing this type of problem, so watch this video till end very carefully. Okay, so here in the Windows 11 home screen, in the taskbar, here you can get the volume icon. Just click and open it like this and extend the volume controls from here. Okay, and here you can get the output devices here. So from the list of the output devices, you need to select the correct speaker, so which you want to listen the sound from that speakers. Just select it from here. Okay, after this guys, it will quickly fix your problem. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem, once again right click on your sound icon and open the sound settings from here. Okay, like this. Now you need to set the default speaker for your PC. Okay, scroll down and find out more sound settings and open it like this. So it will open the new pop-up window on your screen. Now here go to playback tab and select the speaker from the list and right click on it, and here you can get the option set as default. Just you need to select that particular speaker as a default device from the sound setting. Okay, from here you can easily able to fix this issue. So that's all today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.